Hi, welcome back, my dear student. In this lecture here, we're going to be building our user class. We could, however, use this class to use some of the methods to do certain things, for our users, like delete our users, update our users, create users. But why do that when we are using object-oriented programming? Let's not confuse things. Let's not mix everything together. Let's just keep it separate, like it's meant to be in object-oriented programming. All right, we're supposed to have different modules, and we're supposed to connect information with certain modules and disconnect information. All right, so if we make objects, we keep everything separate and we keep our program working really nice, really cool. All right, so that's the way it's meant to be. Let's keep it like that. So we're gonna separate our queries, our user queries, from our database queries. All right, not separate. We're not gonna mix them. All right, so we're not going to start doing that. There are other developers that do that. Other developers will go and use a database class and include other queries in there. All right, everything related to the database. We're not going to do that. I learned with experience that it's better to keep things separate. So let's go to includes, and let's make a new page here called user.php, and this is going to be our class here. So we open our PHP tags and we start the class user, curly brackets. There we go. All right. So the first thing that we want to do is be able to find our users. All right, find all of them, because we want to, get all that information out so we can do other things with it, right? So let's go ahead and build a method here, a public method called find underscore all users. All right, this method here is going to allow us to do that. And well, we want to use a method from a database class here called query. In order for us to do that, we need to call that object right here. We need to make it global. All right, so database, and we could do that, by the way. So we're making that object right here global, so we can use it. All right, so now that we have this class available to us, we can use it. So let's use it. So we're gonna use it right here, as a matter of fact, database, to make our query. All right, and we're just gonna make a query directly here. We're gonna pass in the string, the SQL statement, select all from users. There we go. That's it. And then we just return that. You see, things are starting to get simpler, right? Return that, and that's it. All right, now all we have to do is call this method outside and get the result set and loop through it. All right, and if you watch my other beginner's course on PHP, you know how to do that. But anyways, we're gonna do that in the next lecture. I'm gonna cut it off here just to make lectures short, because we all have things to do, right? So take care, and I see you in the next lecture. You're doing a pretty good job if you're following me. Very good.